Hey there, Troxers! Welcome to another tutorial of the brand new creator kits. Today we're going to be making Tadao the Turtle. And Tadao the Turtle is one of my favorite creator kits for a very specific reason. And that reason is because it's the only creator kit to use the tetra, the octa, and the icosa. This is really cool. It's really difficult to use an icosa in creating these different kits. And we've figured out a way to use an icosa to make one of our favorite creatures. In fact, Tadao's shell, which is made out of the icosa, was inspired by, I believe, one of our 10-year-old participants in a workshop who came up with an icosa in a kind of mangled form. And I'll show you exactly how that inspired the turtle. So let's go ahead and get our instructions out. Every creator's kit comes with printed and illustrated, hand-illustrated instructions. And when I say hand-illustrated, we used a computer, an illustrator, to by hand draw each of these forms in 2 dimensions to represent the 3-dimensional forms you're seeing. So it lays out everything we need to make Tadao the Turtle. And it says we need 6 tetras, so 6 blue tetras. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like we're missing one, but I think we'll be able to grab another. And then we need 1 blue octa and a black icosa. So we've got pretty much everything we need. And let's see. So to get started, let's start on step number 1. So it says we're going to combine a blue tetra with a blue octa to assemble the turtle's head and neck. Thank you. My trusty assistant Marty gave us our 6th tetra. Awesome. So let's see. So the very first step is to make our head, and we're going to combine the tetra with an octa. So let's go ahead and get our nice package set of Tadao the Turtle set aside, and we're going to grab 1 tetra and 1 octa to make the head. And they go together like that. So just a little bit of a wiggle and a push, and they should go together real sturdy. The very first time you put them together, you might be a little scared because they're paper, but these actually support over 500 times their weight. So they're very strong. So that's Tadao's head. We're gonna set Tadao's head down. And it says, next we need to build the turtle's shell with all the black Troxes. Once the form is complete, carefully press the top end to make it flat. Well, we say carefully, but this is the coolest part. So we built this black icosa using 20 black pieces. And then when we're done constructing it, well, instead of carefully, I think it's a lot more fun to just take a finger and go 1, 2, 3, pop! And you just push in one side of the icosa. How cool is that? One of the kids came running up and showed me that, and I was like, I never thought to do that. So now we've got Tadao's shell. Let's see, step 3 says we attach blue tetras to each face of the shell to give the turtle its legs. So that looks like a pretty clear image. So we're gonna take 5 of these tetras, and we're gonna place them around, and it looks like there's 2 spots around this that we could place them. If we placed them here, the legs would kind of be facing up. If we place them here, the legs will be touching the ground. So I alternate. So there we go, we've got 2. And one nice thing about this is the icosahedron is a symmetric shape. And so it's real easy, it's radially symmetric, which means that if I rotate this, it's going to look exactly the same every time I rotate it. And here we go. So we attached our 5 tetras to the icosa, and that's starting to look like we've got maybe some sea turtle limbs there. So I think that's what they call getting your sea legs. I'm not sure. So, so step 4 is to finally attach the turtle's head and neck that we created. And so we can choose, because it's radially symmetric, we can choose any one of these to become the neck of the turtle, and the other 4 will automatically become the legs. So let's go ahead, and I'm gonna pick this one right here. And as I do that nice careful wiggle and twist, and there we have it. There's Tadao the turtle. And when it's all connected, it should be really quite sturdy. You should be able to handle it. Tadao's neck kind of hangs out there on a bit of a cantilever. Cantilever is a cool word if you don't know what that means. It's an architectural term for the way it hangs over. And I guess it's actually kind of a good time to tell you that Tadao gets his name from one of my favorite Japanese architects, Tadao Ando. So if you're inspired by architecture, you can check out his work. So that looks like we built our Tadao the Turtle. If you're interested in challenging yourself even more, see if you can use the black and blue Troxes to create something new. Maybe you can add something to Tadao, or use a apprentice pack or a master crafter kit to give Tadao a cool habitat. Or maybe Tadao will just grace your bookshelf and you can show off to all your friends what you made entirely out of paper. All right, that's it for this creator's kit. Keep looking out for new tutorials on Troxes.com, and we look forward to seeing what you build. Make sure you hashtag it, #Troxes. All right, see you soon.